Shut up and sit down.
Oh, hello and welcome to a North Wales side-by-side video. Once again in the GR Yaris Sport. I was asked a question about the infotainment system in the car and what my views are on it and what I thought about the sound quality of this particular infotainment system. Well, personally, having come from a Yaris Dynamic, my 2020 Dynamic, which had JBL in the car, and that was a good stereo. That just did everything I wanted it to do. I could play my audio books, I could listen to music, and it was really, really good. The quality was acceptable, and to be absolutely brutally honest, this isn't a JBL system. This is just the standard system that you get in the GR Sport, and I think it sounds as good as the JBL. Today I'm just going to do a quick review of the infotainment system that Toyota have fitted into the GR Sport. I'm going to connect my phone up via Bluetooth, and then I'm going to connect it up via the tether lead. So, car's off at the moment, screen's dead. I've got my mobile phone sat on the seat next to me, and I've got some royalty-free music on the phone because I can't use anything I've got on the phone. I will get hammered for copyright. So, system's going through its boot up at the moment. It's just detected the phone. So I'm going to go and click the audio button, and I want to click the source button because I want my music coming from Bluetooth. It's connected. We're now connected to the phone via Bluetooth, and as you can see on there, royalty-free music.
Sound.com.
So I think that sounds really good for a standard system fitted by a manufacturer in a car. And that's on Bluetooth. So if I now tether the phone to the lightning cable that we need for an iPhone, which is really simple. It's just a matter of plugging the USB lead into the USB port, lead into phone. Now I need to go back to source, and I'm going to pick my iPhone now, and off it goes again. It's instantly picked up the phone.
Sound.com.
There's nothing wrong with that stereo system.
bensound.com.
And I'm just randomly picking tracks here just to show you the difference. And it works really well. Quality of sound's good, the bass is good, treble's good. Another random track.
bensound.com.
So yeah, sound quality of this system is a really good quality. Before I got the GR Sport, I had a Yaris Dynamic that had JBL in it, and I can't tell the difference personally between the JBL system I had in the Dynamic and this one. I just can't tell the difference. I've no idea what makes the JBL better, because to me it's not the sound quality. Maybe the speakers are better in JBL, I don't know, but I don't think there's anything wrong with this system. It's easy to use, it is adjustable. You've got your bass adjustment, treble, mid, bass, all this, it's all there. Fader. It's a really simple system to use. You can move the sound around different places in the car just by scrolling up and down. It's really nice and easy to use. If you want to pick another source, you can pick your radio stations off this screen. It's so simple. Works really well. It does what I want a stereo to do in the car, and that's just to listen to music and audio books. So I don't think you really need to go and spend an absolute fortune on a really high-end stereo system, because I think manufacturers put some really nice systems in the car as standard nowadays. I'm happy with it. It does what I want it to do. Plays music, plays audio books, gives me traffic announcements. I don't want any more out of a stereo. The car isn't a place to have a high-end stereo, because it's just not dynamically set up. It's not like an orchestra hall where everything is perfect. The room's been designed to put the sound in different places. Car doesn't work like that. There's too many sound absorbing materials in cars for a really good stereo to really work and really show what it's capable of doing. So this does the job, this works, perfect for me. Anyhow, thanks for watching. Another North Wales side-by-side video in the GR Sport. If you enjoyed the video, please click thumbs up and like the video. Please consider subscribing to the channel. Helps me a lot. Thank you very much.